My topic is on sports participation among third level students in Ireland. I can use a phrase search to look for third level sport. If I put my search in quotes, the search engine will look for these three words together. One of the first results is a report on the value of third level sport. I can see that the information is current. It's coming from a trusted source. I can expect the information to be accurate, and I know that it's relevant to my topic. And the purpose of the information is to educate. So it's a good source to use.